everyone, here we are unboxing the INSOON 3-in-1 toy. It comes with a screwdriver. 3 types of trucks can be built. I will say just watch out for those screws. While opening the packages, he did try to get a hold of the screws and put them all in his mouth at once, and as we were playing he was also trying to put them in his mouth. Here we are building the screwdriver. He really loved the screwdriver. It comes with 2 different types of heads, a flat head and the regular screw, the 4-prong head.
What you want to fix? I took the screws.
He caught on pretty quickly too, very quickly. He's 22 months. So here he is. We're putting the bottom, the base part of the truck together. Again, we did not have batteries in our screwdriver, so at first we was using our hands, and it still was very easy to build without the screwdriver. He noticed that there was also a screwdriver needed inside the front of the truck. I did not know. So here we are putting it when we realized with the batteries. Just some more snaps. So we got it together. All 4 wheels are on. Inside that, it was a screw was needed, but I didn't know until after the fact. But he knew. He knew. He's looking for the screw. I tried to take most of them away as we built. So now we're putting the screws on the bottom so that it could attach to the top of the truck. We did not have batteries at this point, so I am trying to just turn it with my hands. But again, with the batteries, you can go forward and back to close the screw and open the screw. And it also lights up. It's pretty cool.
Good job.
I did one and now he's doing the other. Good job, Boots. Boots is merely a nickname. So we got it screwed on. He's trying to see what goes on in the back. You can open the back of the truck as well. So this, with the screw in it, it helps the truck go forward and back as well. So this part is for the screwdriver and it's also for the truck. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.